These two kids gained 9.2 million subscribers from a single video that got 4.6 billion views. They gained more subscribers from one video than most creators will ever get in their entire lifetime, and their video is currently the most viewed video on YouTube. It took MrBeast, the biggest creator on YouTube, 6 years to get to that subscriber count across different videos, but these 10 and 12-year-old kids did it in just less than a year. So how did they do it? And what psychological strategy did they use that you can also copy? Starting with the first question. How did they get 9.2 million subscribers from just a single upload? Well, it's actually because of two simple things that you can also use in your own long form or short form videos to go viral as well. The first most important metric in your shorts video is the view to swipe ratio, and if you get more than 80% of people watching your video in the first 5 seconds of your video, you have won 80% of the battle. So to do this, your hooks need to be on fire. But how do you create a killer hook? Well, it's actually with 3 important things: a visual hook, a verbal hook, and a text hook. I talked more about the difference between these in the video that I've linked in the description. So these kids, Colin and Owen, used a visual hook. Let me show you their hook and try paying attention if you spot what they did. This first 3 seconds of the video is the first most important reason why this video got 4.6 billion views and 9.2 million subscribers. The video starts with a massive high-stakes trick shot, both boys throwing basketballs from a distance and sinking them perfectly at the same time. This is a powerful hook because it delivers immediate value. It doesn't waste time with intros or explanations. But to keep viewers engaged for 23 seconds straight and across billions of views, Colin and Owen used several pacing strategies. Number 1, content progression. Every few seconds, they introduce a new, more complex trick shot. This keeps the audience on their toes and prevents them from getting bored. And 2, variety of tricks. They don't just stick to basketball. They include water bottle flips, cone stacking, and even dice stacking. This variety keeps viewers engaged throughout the video. All these resulted in the video becoming the most viewed video on YouTube with over 4.6 billion views and getting over 9.2 million subscribers, which is insane. But the question is, how much did they make from this most viewed viral short video? Click this video to know. Or if you want me to help you get monetized fast on YouTube in only 7 to 30 days, then click this video.